Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Spotify playlist to Instagram story. So what you need to do is just go to your library in here and then click on the playlist that you want to share. For example, I want to share this playlist right here, and then what you need to do is click on the three dots icon at the bottom of the playlist name, and then just click on share and choose Instagram stories. Okay, so you'll be directed to the Instagram story page, and you can just click on your story to share it to your friends in Instagram. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.